Hi, Richard Huntley here, back with a brand new fat burning video of the day. Today we're going to be looking at how to burn the hip and leg fat at home, no equipment needed. This is a great little workout for you to try out and get your family and friends involved as well. If you want to grab my 7-day plan, it's my fat loss formula. I'll put the links in the description if you haven't already got it and you're new to my videos, and go and download that so you can really take action on it for the next 7 days. Right, here's what to do. Here's the point. It's the jump, lunge, kick variation. Really good exercise. A little bit of a martial art flair in here, which I love to do. And great for the flexibility of the legs, the balance points to this one. You don't need tons of room. Look, warning, go careful. Make sure if you're doing this at home or your parents' house or whoever's, do not kick the vase off the shelf. Don't blame me for that. So make sure you're in a space that nothing's around you and you're not going to kick an ornament that's been in your family for 100 years and then I'm going to get blamed, or you're going to get blamed for it. Okay, so let's just find a little space, and joking aside, here's what the benefits of this exercise is. Obviously it's going to burn the fat overall on any area that you have on the body. So if you struggle with the hips and the legs, this is going to hit that area too, but this is going to really tone up the lower body. This is what's good about it. It's going to hit the cardio because it's a bit of an explosive move too, so using those fast twitch muscle fibers for the explosion up. If you can't do the jump yet, just do a basic lunge down and kick. Okay, and then swap sides, lunge down and kick, and then build up to this, okay? And then we want to go focus on your balance and form, like I've put on point 3 here. So like I say, it will be quite awkward at the start, especially balance points. It's quite a difficult one to do, but when you get used to it, it's something to progress towards, okay? We always like challenges. Us humans, we rise to the occasion with challenges, so you need to set yourself goals. You need to focus on what you can achieve in the long run, but also the short term as well. So this could be like a little 30-day challenge for you too. So good clean form. I would do this, just start with a basic Tabata. Like I say, if you're starting off, just a good way to wet the whistle, so to speak, is to go 20 seconds on this exercise, time yourself, and then rest for about 10 seconds, let your legs recover, and repeat it for as long as you want. You know, maybe you want a quick 3-5 minute little spout of workout with this in the morning just to get the blood pumping, and you can mix this with some of the other exercises I've got on my YouTube channel as well. There you go then, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this, and put it in your arsenal of your fat burning little routine toolbox, you could say. This is a great exercise, I'm telling you. You could add it with some of the other workouts like I said before, and if you start doing these exercises and you're consistent every single week with these, I'm telling you, the results will come. The reason why people don't get results with exercising is because they go full bore, like, you know, I'm going to train 5 days a week. They go for 5 days, they last about 2 weeks, and then they do nothing. Okay, so what you want to do is slowly build up. Look, start this off once, twice a week, and then try and increase it. Then try and be consistent for twice a week. Every week, you don't miss. It's just part of your routine. Like waking up and brushing your teeth is part of your routine. You wake up and you do your exercise, all right? Then you can build it up towards 3 times a week, and before you know it, you won't even think. It's called discipline. You just wake up and you do it. It's part of your routine. You know how the way it makes you feel. It boosts your energy and lifts your mood for the day, and also obviously it's going to help burn the fat and get you in shape too. Okay, people's going to be asking around, oh, what have you been doing? You've been losing weight. What's been happening? You'll be saying, look, I'm consistent with my exercise now. And, you know, that's why my YouTube channel will grow, because people will recommend my exercises. So I always really appreciate your support when you like and share my videos. It helps spread the message out with these exercises, because I know they've helped thousands of people over the years, and can't wait for you to be my next success story. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you can also hit that notification bell, and then you'll get my latest videos in your inbox too. Have an amazing day, guys. Take action on this exercise, and see you in the next video.